And what's going to have to happen here, though, is we're going to be demolishing the existing kind of bump out. I don't think that that is a usable dimension. So I'm going to take this wall and I'm going to copy that piece, and then I'm just going to get rid of all this like that. And then we're going to switch over to our scope diagram and go to our tags and turn on our demolished. All right, and then I'm going to do a paste in place and push this in there. Oh, sorry, I'm going to back out of here. Here's my demolished walls, paste in place, and then push-pull this down to the floor like that. So now that wall lives in demolished. I can go back to our design and turn our demolished off and get back to work. So, and then this bump out here, I'm not positive what's going to happen with that. I mean, we're going to need a bump out. And really, I think that the bump out needs to be more in response, not to the desk, but more in response to, like, it would be great if it was, that probably doesn't make a ton of sense to, spend that much square footage on the public space. So it seems to me that this wall needs to sit like at least right there. And that's got to be giving us at least 10 or 12 feet. Yeah, so we're getting 10 feet. So maybe I'll just put it at an exact 10 feet off of there. And let's see, where did that land? Yeah, that's more space. So, I just, if I was sitting on this couch, I'd want to look at the TV here. And maybe we can use 2 of these panels. I don't know. Maybe we can do something kind of fun with these panels. Because we're going to need to mount the TV. But I'm wondering if we can put like a panel and then a solid wall and then a panel so that, well, I don't know. Maybe there's a way to kind of fog the panels and mount the TV like right here. That would be sweet if it were, the cables and cords were buried. And so that could be a really cool thing if like there was a glass panel with a TV mounted on it. But I don't know if we've got enough space there. But just thinking out loud. All right. I'm going to scoot this over here, center it on this guy. Let me undo that and grab this too, and then move this piece over here like that. And yeah. All right. So then basically, and honestly, normally what I would do is I'd probably work in 2D. I mean, I find it a little bit difficult to truly design in 3D like this. I kind of like using that Condoc 2D system where I can just nudge things around. But anyway, I'm already into it, and we already had the 3D model built, so I guess it makes sense to just keep going. This, let's see. All right, so we got 2 panels here. We got 2 more panels. I almost wonder if we could do a panel here so you get like one office, one office, one office. That could work. That could work well. And so let's see how that starts to shake down. I'm going to get rid of this stuff. Just kind of scoot it over there. And scoot that over there. And then we're going to need this panel for sure to sit roughly right there. And I'm sure they could figure that out. I don't know. That's kind of strange. Like, I got to keep in mind, the 3D space. Kind of boxing that in. I don't love that. Although I don't love this either. Let's just run with it and see what happens. And let's see. Yeah, because if you walk in here, it's kind of goofy. So really, we could do something like, let's get these panels out of here. And, you could put this panel roughly. Maybe you could do something like that. Just a little bit of division of space in here so that you've got this desk, and this desk. And everybody's kind of got their own little zone to work in. don't know if that's totally normal. I don't love the way they're all lining up just yet. We're getting there. Maybe these guys could line up a little bit better like this. But like I say, I want to at least like run something by these guys so that I'm not just saying your idea didn't work. This is pretty cool. I mean, this office would be desirable, and this one would be desirable in its own way too. So I don't know. I guess we'll see what they say. But yeah, I just don't love parking this back there. But all right. Okay, something like that. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, Layout, Lumion, and our Condoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you're going to love our tutorials.